play for in this exhibition game. These 90 minutes will help get the team in shape. Both managers have picked strong lineups today, no real surprises. They're playing three at the front. It's a 4-3-3 formation, and the away team have gone with this formation. So we're off. Which way will this game go? He's read that one absolutely perfectly. Nifty bit of footwork there. Lovely bit of skill there. And that's out for a goal kick. Chiellini has the ball. Here's Mahrez. Here's Mahrez. Passing the ball really well. Oh, defending. Finds his teammate. Chiellini has the ball. Neymar. And out for the throw-in. Neymar. That's out for a corner kick. The ball is swung into the danger area. An outstanding header. What a finish. It's a bit lucky, but they all count. A few centimetres one side, and it would have surely bounced back into play. But it's a great finish. Here's Van Dijk. Oh, it's a clear chance. Oh, Mane! Be disappointed with that effort. Oh, what a miss, especially for a player with his shooting skills. The keeper plays it short there. Passed well. That passing has been so accurate. Here's Varane. Good ball. Good distribution. Alba. Neymar. We're into time added on now. That's good link up. There's the whistle. It's half time. They brought on a few substitutes for the second half. Here's Van Dijk. That's nicely played. Confident pass. Now it's Pogba. The referee has to do something about it. That was a dreadful challenge. Here's Mahrez. Alisson collects. Here's Mane. That'll be the goalkeeper's ball then. Rolled out by the goalkeeper. Really good passing now. Here's Ronaldo. That's a great quality goal. Oh, what a finish. Into the bottom corner. Decisive. It's 2-0. And that's a throw-in. Volleyed on. It's Ronaldo. Salah. Oh, well intercepted. Here's Mahrez. They've won it back. finds his teammate. Passed out wide then. That's his second goal. Let's see a replay of that crucial goal. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. 3-0 now. Mbappe. Ederson picks it up. Now it's Pogba. Great passing there. Volleyed forward. Good distribution. We're into time added on now. That's good link-up play.